Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the rain animation only using one picture. How to create that one, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the PixVerse AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC. However, if you would like to access it with your smartphone or even the tab, don't worry, because this PixVerse is accessible. You can also install or download it from the App Store or even the Play Store. And this is the look of the PixVerse, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. And don't worry, because for the new user, they will also provide you several credits over here. And if you would like to try to purchase their package, you can click this one and you will see of the scroll down, there are the yearly and also the monthly package. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can also continue to click subscribe to try and have the benefits of this package, guys. And if you would like to create the rain animation, here you can start to use the template over here. And in this section, you can start to click this one, and you will see there are a lot of template and also a lot of category over here. And you can also search for the specific template that you would like to know. For example, I will type the rain, and you can click this search, and after that you can click the rain of the redemption. This template has been activated or being set. And the next step is you can start to select a picture from your device. And for example, I will choose this one and click open. And kindly wait for the picture until it will be uploaded. And you will see the settings over here, kind of the panel, and also the duration and the pixel. If you see the diamonds over here, which means that you need to upgrade it into the Pro version. So you can start to again open this credits or basic, and you can start to choose the best package of yours. And you can also click this or try this auto sound or maybe the auto speech. And for the model, there are the V5. That is the top performance, vivid dynamics, and also the crisp quality. And after that, you can continue to click create over here and kindly wait for the generation process, maybe 30 seconds until 1 minute, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly, guys. And after that, it will direct you into this section, and this will be the output.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be
this guy turn to fill the rain that comes into this background or into the background, and also change the light too. And after that, you can also start to choose the download, whether that with or without the watermark, and you can also share it into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.